we are going to talk the title I will do it from the thematic unit personality development. The particular title I will do it is a story of N.R. Narayanamurthy, founder and chairman of Infosys. The story tells about how he was in childhood, how bright he was, and about his family and what were the reasons he didn't enter IIT. Even he was dreamt of IIT, studying in IIT, but his family's financial ability didn't support it. That's what N.R. Narayanamurthy studied at his own place and reached the tops of his success. So, in his childhood, he was a short, sharp boy and the brightest, even the brightest. Okay, despite of all these things, sharp and brightest things are the positive sides of N.R. Narayanamurthy. So he was unnoticed, he was unrecognized by the teachers. Even before he was questioned in physics and maths. Before he was questioned physics and maths. His replies made him or brought him a recognition in the classroom. That's what is the brightest boy in the class. This is the reason he was recognized as the brightest boy in the class. Was born into a poor and educated family. His father was an English teacher. But as all the brighter students thinking, he wanted to join a good engineering college. And also, he had a dream of joining IIT, which is a dream of the brightest students. So, he planned for that and he wanted to join IIT. He was preparing for the IIT examination on the Chamundi Hills, the mandaps under the shade of trees of the Chamundi Hills, without proper books and without any material for to crack the examination of IIT. As he was a bright student, it is not much difficult for him to clear the examination with his hard work. So he got on a D-Day. D-Day is what? A dream day. On a dream day, he went to Bangalore to write the examination for entrance test of IIT. He stayed in a relative's family and the next day he wrote the examination. Some of the students asked him, how did he write the examination? So he said just okay. So if as he said it is okay, that might be what he wrote well. In terms of food, if he says a good, that is excellent. So education is more important to him. It's a dream to join IIT. So his attitude towards the dream that he wants to join IIT, paved a way. The results have come and he succeeded and got a good rank in the IIT. After the IIT entrance examination, with the elated and delighted mood, he went to his father. And he told his father that, okay, what rank he had got. Okay, the answer that he got from his father is about his financial status of his family. Okay, there are 5 daughters to be get married. So, I am a teacher, as I am a salaried person, I cannot afford your expenditure at IIT. This was the answer from his father. So, after listening this answer from his father, he was quite disappointed because his dream was to join IIT. He worked hard to crack the examination and he got a good rank. But his family's financial condition, okay, is not able to support his expenditure at IIT. This was when he heard the answer from his father, okay, he was disappointed. So he thought of himself and he prepared his mind to study at his own place, and he drawn his dream back. One day, the co-students, the classmates of him, okay, wanted to join in IIT Madras, and they want to leave from his hometown Mysore. He went to railway station, waved them off means say goodbye to them, and they were all happy. All the students were happy, okay, that they are going to the prestigious institutions to study in the IITs. So they were all happy, and they were talking among themselves like chipping. After waving back, all of them waved back to him, and all of his classmates suggested, you would have come, you could have make it. That was a suggestion that is made by his classmates. But he already know the financial status of his all 5 sisters to be get married. So it is impossible for his salaried father to afford the study in the IITs. So he thought of himself and had back, and he went to the local college and worked very hard. And today, even after not fulfilling his dream to study in IIT, he made his success. Okay, he's been into, now we can see the success of N.R. Narayan Murthy as a founder and chairman of Infosys. Founder and chairman of Infosys, one of the major companies, software companies, India and among the world. So, with this, a normal student can get a good position, okay, believing in him, okay, without even studying a prestigious institute like IIT, he succeeded. That's what our title suggests, I will do it. It shows the strength within the boy who is not financially able to afford the costly education. Become a top class business person or a software established person as the company's name Infosys, and they become a succeeded person. So here what we understand, a student's ability, if you believe in yourself, the capacity of you in yourself, that you will make it surely. That is the title shows, I will do it. N.R. Narayan Murthy himself declared to be a successful person in engineering and studied in some other engineering college, and he was a successful person in a establishing the company like Infosys. So this is the whole story about a boy who is a shy, short boy who has become the biggest entrepreneur in the software industry. This gives a kind of confidence in a normal student without looking into his financially successful person. This is what the title suggests, and the story of N.R. Narayana Murthy also suggests. This reading scene, this is a way how a normal boy can become a successful person. This is the story all about. I will do it. A story of N.R. Narayana.